Good morning everyone and welcome to today's maths lesson. Our learning intention today is can I solve division word problems? We just need to start practicing reading worded problems and thinking, right, what is this question trying to get me to do? How can I solve it? So again, because it's division, the remembers or the hows are the same. What is the total number? So look in the question, see if we've got that total number there. It is going to be the biggest number. And when we write a division number sentence, that is the number that goes first. Then we need to look for how many groups there are. Or either how many groups there are or how many are in each group. Depending on the question, it might be different. And today we're going to be looking at how we can solve division using a number line as well.